SAP Community recently opened its doors on its new platforms that it migrated to. Today, I just want to walk through this new website, new platform, see how it looks like. This recording is totally unscripted. I will be looking at this stuff for the first time, like possibly some of you. And we will start with just looking how a website would appear to everyone from the outside without logging in. Then if we have time or if we have possibilities, then I will log in and we will see how we can do some postings maybe on the new community. So let's get started. So we have a welcome message. There is something, see what's new. Okay, so that's interesting. We see there are 8,000 people online. This is pretty big community, 700,000 members overall and 3 million posts. I mean, it's been around for 20 years now, so it's not surprising if that's how this number is counted. So let's see what else is there. I'm not really sure what to do with this menu. It says groups, interest groups. All right. Okay, I'm not sure what this is about. Topics. So let's see if anything is interesting. Oh, okay, it goes to another page. Okay, so topics. I honestly don't know what topics would mean in this new community. In the previous platform, we had the concept of tag. Tag was just like an area to hold some content by subject. For example, ABAP development, I guess it's called topic now. It was a tag before where, for example, if I had a question about ABAP, or if I wanted to share a blog post about ABAP, I would use this tag to show others this is where my stuff belongs to. There was also concept of topic before. There were so-called topic pages, which were designated pages for a few select topics. Like, for example, ABAP obviously had one, BTP, ABAP Cloud, etc. So there might be slight confusion between this tag and topic transition, etc. But let's see what's going on here. All right, so we are in community topics right now. We are already in ABAP. Fortuitously, it starts, I guess, alphabetically. So ABAP is first. So let's just click on it, see what happens. I like just clicking and looking what happens. I think it's a great approach to life. All right, so ABAP developments, community, okay, join conversation, ABAP Cloud at TechHead, follow. Okay, so I guess you can follow. I don't know what's going to happen, maybe email or some notification. Create a post. I'm not logged in, so I'm not sure how that's going to work, but let's leave this for now. ABAP for newbies. Right, so that's, can I click here? No. Okay, so this is not really very strange card. Lots of white space here. ABAP platform for S4HANA. I honestly don't even know what this means. Expert content. So I don't know. This wasn't really the thing before. I'm not sure who experts are. I mean, I can see Rich Heilman, obviously, Boris and Jens are well-known names in the community. But yeah, I'm really not sure what this means. Okay, so get started. Here again, I mean, could be here ABAP for newbies. If you wanted to get started, I guess if you're a newbie, it's a good approach to get started. ABAP Cloud developer resources. All right, so a whole bunch of stuff. So I don't know. So where are like questions about ABAP? How can I get to them? So let's see, FAQ. So get started. Number 3, once again for the cheap seats. All right, so let's see, SAP Press. Well, that's nice. I guess plug for SAP Press. Cool. Maybe people will buy my book now. Popular code samples. Right, that's interesting. But I just for now, I don't yet want to go there. Related community topics, learning journey. So I'm just kind of scratching my head here. Like where are the questions? Where is the blog posts? Like what's happening, what's going on, where, so let's say I want to read like what's the most recent blog post on ABAP subject, what did the people write about. I'm not really seeing it here, so let's read a little bit. Clean ABAP, etc. So Yeah, I'm just slightly confused. What the heck does this mean? But let's go back where we started to just main SAP community page, and the address remains the same. It's community.sap.com, so that's convenient. All right, so let's look again. Let's see. So we looked at the menu. Events. I think that was there I think before. So if you're interested in any in-person or virtual events, that's a good idea. What's new? Let's see. So this is latest in SAP Community. So what is new, like exactly? Okay, is all moved in. Gamification. Okay, so I guess there is a whole explanation about asking and answering questions. Again, okay, the same stuff. So I guess maybe kind of slow news day. So some content getting repeated here, but I hope it's okay. Top kudo outer. So I guess this is, I'm not quite sure what the kudo concept is just yet, but I guess it's like a something similar to what like was before. And you can see here that usernames are pretty weird. Before that, I think there was a big point made about people just being professionals on SAP community platform. And we really encourage people to use their real names, full names. But now it looks like some people do have names. They are, like weirdly formatted. But quite a few people with just like first name or some user number. So I don't know how it's gonna play out. To be honest, because it's probably notice this from your experience as well. When it's anonymous contributions and quality can be really different. People feel definitely more free when they can post anonymously. There are some good things about it, but also some not so good things. Latest comments. I honestly do not understand what is the purpose of this. It's like a dump of random comments on random stuff. I don't know. Somebody might care about. Tab kudo posts. All right, so maybe this is something interesting, but not right now. So what is this popular blog post? Okay, so there are blog posts somewhere. Okay, good to know. All right, so let's see. Asking and answering questions. What's here? Again, I'm kind of. You see, at this point, I'm beginning to get a little bit annoyed by half of my laptop screen be taken by the same header all the time and welcome message. I wish I'm kind of looking for the crosshair to close this, but no, I guess we'll be looking at this for a while. All right, so asking and answering questions. One of the primary reasons. Yeah, duh. If you participate, after migration, you'll be okay in a variety of ways. Okay, enter Q&A by selecting the product and technology category relevant to your question. Okay, let's try that. Where where is ABAP? Technology? I don't know. I mean, that would be like huge, humongous area. Ask and answer question about SAP. I don't want to ask questions about SAP BTP. I want ABAP. Okay, sorry guys. I'm just I don't know. Maybe someone knows something more about. I'm just utterly confused. Okay, again, topic pages. We already been to topic page. Where are ABAP questions and answers? Okay, so now there are boards. So okay, so what are boards? I mean, I'm familiar with the board concept from like back in the days from like PHP forums, but there are just three of them. There are 3 millions of posts, and they are somehow wrangled into 3 categories. Okay, so that's not going to be good. So there is like, okay, it would be nice to have like 1,000 separator at this point, or maybe just, I honestly don't care about like precise number. Maybe give us like 900k posts. So that's actually a point we make frequently in our UI design feedback, just to make numbers very easy to read for the users. So SAP should be using their own guidelines. All right, but that's sorry for editorial here. All right, so technology Q&A. So I'm cautiously gonna try to click that. Let's see what happens. From SAP, okay, and ABAP. Okay, so finally at least we see ABAP. So So technology is like SAP, BTP, and ABAP Cloud, and SAP, and okay, holy crap. Whew, okay, so that's gonna be like awesome, I guess. So I don't know, maybe there are some kind of ways where you can organize it better for yourself. I don't know just yet, so I don't want to prejudge, but that's honestly, this idea is kind of a big red flag for me as a formerly active community member. So there's some tiny options here. Subscribe, bookmark, subscribe to RSS feed. So this might be useful. I actually used RSS feed before to read the blog posts. But the problem here is if all the posts are gonna fall into technology Q&A, I don't want like to read about the whole huge universe of SAP content. And for if someone here is just new to SAP community, SAP has enormous number of different products and technologies. So it's a really, really big scope. So piling this kind of into a huge pile, it would be, I don't know, very similar, like going to the internet before Google was created. So it's kind of equivalent of dumpster diving, I would say. So not kind of not ideal impression, but I will check out later what this RSS feed does and maybe share with you. All right, so let's see. So some questions here. So let's see how it looks like. Again, they're pushing those topic pages. I'm not sure if I want to like see topic pages right now. User tags. So as I mentioned, there were tag concept before. It was required to assign one tag. App development was very popular. And tag was required to either ask a question or post a blog post. So I don't know what the flow is like. I will log on and we'll try to post a question, see what it looks like from the poster perspective. But right now, honestly, I just don't see why anyone would want to see like unsorted and unfiltered stream of what is called recent activity in the questions. That's just enormous. I mean, imagine if all of this is here, then fishing for an ABAP question in all these piles, that would be unsurmountable task. And you can, so this was there before functionality. You could see, you could look for open questions only or solved, resolved in this case. So yeah, somehow miraculously, some people obviously found it, were able to answer. So kudos, I guess now it's literally kudos to them. All right, so let me just try to click on the user tag. Is this clickable? Okay, ABAP development, user tag. Here we go. Tag, again, welcome, thank you. It's like fifth time it's been, thank you so much, but yeah, maybe enough about that. All right, currently viewing ABAP development in technology. All right, crikey. Products and technology communicate first used what? Okay, I have no idea what's the value of all of this information. So 300 posts, again, 2016, that's 2016, it's a year of previous migration. So I don't know, honestly, ABAP was there before. I'm not sure how this counted, but honestly, couldn't care less. So let's just move on. All right, impossible to link, MSEC. Okay, interesting stuff as usual. 2 weeks ago, latest tagged, top tagged. So just the latest posted. That seems to be 2 weeks ago. So no one posted any questions since 2 weeks. I mean, it is possible because platform was unavailable for a while, but it's been a few days since then, and usually ABAP forum was pretty active. So I don't know if people are kind of struggling to understand how to even ask stuff. That's quite possible, because so far I'm not really seeing easy way to do that. There is always this header. It's getting pretty annoying at this point. All right. So let's see what else is there. So let's go back again to the home page. or SAP Community. Again, explore. I don't really get it. There's big numbers. I don't know what they tell me. I don't know why I would need to explore customer relationship management. Don't care. I don't understand how enterprise resource planning does not include literally all of SAP Community together with technology. So I don't know why this random 8 items are there. So I think might as well just could remove it and save some space. Recent activity, again, if this is activity for the whole SAP community, that would be like just as valuable as, let's say, you open some website and there's like, here are like top like 10 latest posts on the whole internet. Like, I don't know who cares about this. You can sort, but again, I don't understand without specific subject what it really means to anyone. All right, they're welcome, FAQ. So maybe I will need to kind of read FAQs again. Top authors. Oh, I'm here! Yay! So I haven't really posted anything in a while, but still, I'm top 3. And Sandra Rossi, hey Sandra. So really, kind of hats off to Sandra for fielding pretty much 95% of ABAP questions for the last few years, and Tammy has been great community champion for many years. So obviously, we have Tammy have and I gathered some kudos. I guess they migrated from the previous platform. Matt, I can only guess Matt Birmingham, who is moderator in ABBA, but I don't know now. Now it's a problem. I don't know like who some of these people are. And keep in mind now you see picture for some people. So I was told that pictures were not migrated, so you will have to re-upload if you had account before. With a picture, you will need to re-upload it. All right, so see, just let's scroll. So this is kind of, again, garbage continues. And explore the latest. So there are groups now too. Okay, there were groups before. There are groups now. There are topics. There are what was there like boards. So I don't know, variety of places. But I think like a PHP forum was probably still the most effective. Featured topics. Okay, so that might become interesting as people engage more community resources. Yeah, I don't know. That's not very interesting. So that's it. Okay, follow us. Okay, so nothing there. All right, so let's go to the top. Now I will try to log in. So I'm not logged on right now. You see this dummy image. To log in, you just need to click on it. Hello, anything happening? Okay, so I have already entered my credentials before, so I just simply clicked on sign in and it picked up my previous login, which is good. All right, so let's see. So now I'm logged in, so I should be able to post a question or create a blog post. And I think typical use cases for SAP Community would be either you want to create a blog post about something, or you want to ask a question, or you want to, let's say, answer someone's question. Let's say you have some time and you want to be helpful, so you would look for open questions and then try to answer them to the best of your abilities. So let's take a look at 3 of those use cases, see what we can do. Let's start with a blog post. I suspect that might be easier. So just for the reference, I found a very old screenshot of the totally random blog post. Sorry, Lars, for putting you on the spot. So this is how the blog post looked like on the old platform. It was a pretty clean look. Again, lots of unused white space. People complained about this all the time, myself included. But it was, all the information you needed is here. It's what type of blog post it is, author, full name, date, nice feature, how long the post is. If you see like 20 minutes, you can decide, maybe read it later. Likes, RSS feed right here, comments. Then similar blog post sometimes was helpful. Related questions was usually just totally random questions, not at all related. And see that assign tags. So tag was a way to kind of compartmentalize content before. And one tag was required. There was a preset list of tags, and then you could also create your own custom ones. It looks like Lars did it here, so you see those hashtags. I mean, it's not Twitter. Some people confuse these two platforms, but those would be custom tags. And you could similarly click on them to find similar content. All right, so that's a previous look. So I was able to find the same blog post now and see how it looks like on the new platform. So again, this annoying header, then now it's somehow Lars turned into former member, so maybe he left since 2021. That's fine. 9 likes, so that I guess, let's see, it was 9 likes before, so 9 kudos. Likes became kudos, which is nice. Form I think looks a little bit weird, to be honest. You can see, let's just take a look. So this is more cleanly formatted. There is consistent space. This one is just odd. I don't know, but I mean, not too bad, but it kind of triggers my OCD sometimes, stuff like this. All right, and what else is there? So, Jesus Christ. So what is this? Labels in this area? I don't get it. It's like a list of everything in SAP world. How many are there? Like 50? I don't know. I'm like confused reporter right now. Like, well, like what is this? Okay, I don't know, honestly. All right, someone thought that would be a good idea, I guess. They thought bad. Well, so related content is here. So now content, I'm not sure if this would be just blog post. Looks like no. So this is Q&A. But again, the success of identifying related, it still eludes, I guess, SAP search engine. So it's totally, absolutely a random collection of stuff. So I honestly don't know, again, what value this adds. It didn't add value before, doesn't add it now. So that's at least not different. So nice. All right, so popular, that's again, seen it. Top, kudo, etc. So here, I'm a little bit lost. Like, we saw top kudo authors on the overall community page, and now I see it here. So, and now I'm not number 3, which I totally have no problem with, but I'm just wondering, like, how exactly is this kind of calculated? Like, is this for just specific subject or specific, I don't know, they call it area now. I don't know. I think it would be nice to understand, like, what are we looking at. Although honestly, it's not like I'm gonna go and look at it all the time. But some people, I think, would really appreciate to see their name here. So, all right. So let's see. So this is new blog. I mean, not too bad. Other than, for some reason this kind of subheader is bigger font than the title itself, but it's fine. One kind of that's going to be kind of an issue that I've noticed right away. So you see how this URL looks like. It's community.sap.com, then some bunch of nonsense, and then blog title. So I looked up at in some of my old bookmarks. And so this is how the URL looked before. It was blogs.sap.com, then date, and then this is actual blog name. So if I use this URL, it's going to redirect to the new one. So they're still working, it's fine. But the problem that I see here is that before, when I used Google, I was able to search for blogs specifically. And the way I would do this would be, I would type in some keyword, like, for example, ABAP Cloud, and then put site, colon, and then blogs.sap.com. And that would retrieve only the blog post. So this would skip like help and other community content. And that was really useful because sometimes I was like, okay, I remember I read a really good blog post, but I cannot really find it easily. So let me search Google. There is search here, but honestly, it never ever, all the years of SAP community existence under many different names, never ever search on SAP website worked as good as Google. No, nowhere even close. So I'm not kind of holding my breath for this to work right now, but we can definitely explore this. So actually, let's do this. So why not for giggles? So all communities knowledge base. What the heck is knowledge base? Are we stumbled on SAP support website? My private. Why would I want to search my private messages here? Manage tags. Okay, so I'm super confused. I was kind of expecting when I opened this, I was expecting like blog posts and maybe Q&A or something. This is not at all. So I don't know, like knowledge base, is it? Okay, I have no idea. So let's just try like all community. So I don't know. Well, let's see what happens. All right, hit enter. Hello. I don't know. Did it work? Okay, it takes a while. Geez, I mean, show me like spinning wheels of fury or something. Welcome. Yes, thank you, thank you. No, I this is hilarious. So this is exactly what I've been talking about. SAP search. No, I absolutely the heck not mean ABA. I like what is this? I have no idea. Like it's SAP for cripe's sake. You know what ABAP is. All right, so 600,000 results. Yay. What are they? Posts. Again, so post users, I don't know, it was knowledge base or something before. Users, I have, why would I want to search like users? Give people normal name and just Google for their names. This is just stupid. Private messages, again, I don't want to search my private messages. Here, I don't want to like have any private messages, to be honest, at all. I have email for that. Places, I have no idea what places are. Let's see, places like ABAP places. Any places? Oh, it's okay. It's like technology QA. So this is one garbage pile, another garbage pile. Okay, thank you. Two places, nice. All right, so go back to posts. What was there? Let's see. Let's look at 600,000 results. Best match. So best match for ABAP search on the whole great 20 years worth of content. SAP Community is this totally random job opportunity from like June 2023. Awesome. So I don't know, once again, I never like I had very low expectations and it kind of met and exceeded my expectations in a very, very bad way. All right. So I don't know, if I use a search again, I think we're gonna be sitting here for a very long time listening to me complaining. All right, and that's not very healthy. So so we looked at the blog post. We didn't look at how do I post a blog. So how do I post a blog? So let's see. There is create post. All right. So let's see. Create post. Pum, 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 pum. Elevator music. Start a discussion. I don't want to start a discussion. I like want to do like blog post. Word. Okay. I don't know. All right. So let's go back. I don't want to start any discussions. I mean, I do probably, but not right now. So let's see. So after I have logged in, really nothing changed on this page. So the create post became available, but I'm not seeing. So I don't know. I don't remember very well previous community page. I honestly rarely visited it because I had my bookmark set up for all the specific pages. But I think there were like specific menu items. So it's not here. So in the account, there is nothing. There is just settings and subscriptions, basically. I'm not seeing like any, let's see, products and technology. There is all blogs, but so there is no like ask question or post a blog here like at all. All right. So let's see all blogs. Maybe there will be buttons there. So this is really weird UI, to be honest. Create new content. Okay, so let's see. Create new content. Nice. Just start the discussion. Guys, so I don't know. It looks like I cannot really create a blog post. I don't know. It really wants me to start a discussion. All right, so I guess no blogs for you. So all right, so let's look at another use case. So now let's go back to the community main page and let's see. So we have Q&A. So let's see. I have a question. I have specific question again about ABAP. How do I ask it? So we have already browsed through this whole page. There is no button to ask questions either. It said, I think we looked at some document that said go to products and technology and then try from there. So, okay, so we're going to the technology pile of Doom and ask and answer questions. Pum pum. Boards. Again, create new content. I don't get it. I just have a question. Like, are these questions? How did these guys get them? All right, let me just open random one. Maybe there is like a button here. All right, let's see. Oh, sorry, ask a question here. So you have to open the question first. So that you can ask a question. And so let's see, like, what is ABAP rep? I mean, it's a stupid question, but let's just for the giggles. Does this information help? Validation, I'm not talking about validation. I mean, so this is like random word search for ABAP rep. Okay, no, it's not helpful, to be honest. Continue. Okay, fine. So new question. Email me when someone replies. So that's a nice feature to select right here. So SAP managed tags. I imagine it's something very similar to what we had before. As I mentioned, you had to select specific tags. So let's start typing. What? Where is like ABAP development? Why is all this crap here? Okay, ABAP development finally. All right. Right. ABAP development body. I'm not gonna pause this. I just wanted to look at this screen basically and see what it looks like. All right. So this is a subject. All right. So I don't know. I would expect this to be in the body because that was me asking questions. But let's see. Something goes in the body. Links to products. Links to products. Okay, I don't get it why someone would want to link to product, but that's fine. Drag and drop to browse files. So hopefully file attachment is easier now. Cover photo. I'm not sure why question would need a cover photo, but I guess it's maybe a nice feature. Question user tags. So let's see. Okay, so these are essentially, I guess, custom tags, similar to what I shown you before on the blog. Labels, I don't really get like what's the difference between label and tag. I guess there should be some FAQ on this or something. So that I have no idea right now. We have to find out. So I wish there was a shorter way to get to here from somewhere to just like be like big button, like ask a question. Right now, you've seen that we had to step through several screens just to get to here. So not really great. But let's take a look at the last use case, and that would be answering questions. So again, we're starting from the homepage of Community, and all right. So let's go again through the technology. So we are in this case looking for open ABAP questions, and we want to post some answers or maybe comments. All right. So we are here in the pile of technology, and let's see. Okay, we need Q&A definitely. And while it's spinning the wheels, I'm seeing here blogs by members and blogs by SAP. I honestly do not really like this separation because, first of all, SAP employees made a huge deal before, like, we're also part of community. So it's kind of all people are equal, but some are more equal. I don't know. It's kind of a little bit fishy to me. And they're definitely, and it's not really useful to me as a member, to be honest, because there are people from SAP who post really excellent blogs, and there are many people who post the blogs that I don't want to read, and I don't think anyone wants to either. So that's really not helpful. All right, so let's see. We are now in some kind of Q&A pile, which has SAP, BTP, ABAP Cloud, and Answer to Universe and everything. And we are seeing recent activity. So let's say open, definitely looking for open. But now I'm not really sure how to look at the just like ABAP questions. So some of this, I guess, probably not like, yeah, this is like crystal rep lords. Um, so this is not at all up. I don't know how would I find the answers for ABAP only, to be honest. I'm just rather lost. This will just open a new tab. So this just takes me to the ABAP topic page. That is not super helpful. I'm not seeing like here is a list of all ABAP related questions. Yeah, I'm just not seeing it here. We looked through this before, so no point. So big question remains. If I wanted to answer questions, someone else's questions for some reason, how would I find the questions to be answered? So that's a kind of a biggie, I think, for many active members. So I think that pretty much concludes our tour of SAP Community. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.